चलो ट्राइपॉड लॉक कर दो कैमरा नीचे
पैनिंग चलो
नहीं यहीं रहने दो ऐसे ही लॉक कर दो इसको बस
पिक्चर को
लेंस बदल दो यार लेकिन you have taken
या
He's looking at us.
looking at it. Don't move. चला. Oh. Yes.
अरे बड़ा बुरा रास्ता हो गया यार ये
Damn, bro. This is epic.
आ जाओ छोड़ दो
Whenever you guys are ready.
We are ready.
Action.
Pull. Say action.
I did action.
We are at 15,800. Got it. Great kick.
Whenever you're ready.
Okay, I'm ready.
That's on you.
Yeah?
Action.
We are at 15,800 feet above from the sea level. It took us 3 hours to climb this mountain to reach on the top of this mountain. This mountain has a snow leopard territory, which is marked by the snow leopard once in a week or twice in a week. Cut. Fuck man, what I'm forgetting. Okay,
Well, whenever you're ready, we're rolling.
be ready.
Just start whenever you're ready.
Ready?
Do you want me to say action every
Yeah.
time, or you just want to just start?
Until unless you don't say action, how could I know the camera is rolling?
I just told you we're rolling. I could say action if that's what you want me to do.
Yeah.
Action.
Yeah, that's good. We are at 15,800 feet. Not retake one more time. Last time, otherwise.
We're still rolling. We're still rolling. So whenever you're ready.
Okay. We are at 15,800 feet above from the sea level, and the temperature is minus 26 degree. It's pretty cold. To reaching here, it took us 3 hours trekking on a mountain. This area has snow leopard. This mountain is covered by one of the snow leopard with 2 cubs. We came here to see the environment as well as the territory of a snow leopard. We didn't find any pug marks so far. We're going to wait here, we're going to put our telescopes, we're going to put our everything here, and let's see what we're going to see. Go. Oh. Now. ये बच्चा है ना ये बच्चा है कितना 3-4 दिन पुराना है हाँ But are you going to take it from there? कितने दिन हुए तो बहुत पुराना है 7-8 पुराना कहाँ है ये नया है Done. Now you can bring. Get
Rolling. So
we both incoming in the frame.
here in the frame. Action.
ये एक ही उठाओ इतने सारे
ये सारे उठाने के
कितना बड़ा बच्चा होगा ये 1 साल का होगा We had just Norbu, our tracker, found a dropping of a snow leopard. It looked like 3 days old, not more than that. And a leopard must be like a year old. It's still a baby, must be accompanied by the mother, and it's still smiling. So it's not more than 3 days old. So it's a nice place to search for a snow leopard. So far, no pug mark, only a dropping we have to find out. Let's see how our days goes on. एक ही भी है Done.
Ratan, I need you to get sound, okay?
That's all.
That's why you pay me the big bucks, bro. Rolling. Action on you.
पूरा साला ऊपर टॉप पे खड़ा है बिल्कुल आईबैक्स टाइप पे खड़ा है टॉप पे बिल्कुल
बहुत बड़ा है
मेल है बहुत बड़ा बिल्कुल टॉप पे
ये बोल जी बिंग लागा
मेल है
मैंने बहुत बड़ा
फुल ग्रोन मेल है आईबैक्स On the top of a mountain, there are the ibex. Total number of ibex are 11. The snow leopard generally hunt the ibex, but not always. Sometimes, when it's winters, when it's snowfall, snow leopard comes down to the village area and kill the livestock. Why the livestock? Reason is easy to kill, easy to eat, and for ibex they have to sit on the top of a mountain, look, and jump on a ibex. So generally, when in winters, when a snowfall, snow leopard comes down to the lower altitude, they prefer to go for a livestock like yak or goat, whatever they find it up. So easy meal for them in winters, and ibex is always a main meal for them. Cut.
No, keep doing that. I'm just getting a close up now.
बहुत बड़ा है.
बहुत बड़ा है वो.
Okay, I'm good if you're good.
70-80 kgs.
हाँ, आराम से. आराम से. गया.
ऊपर
Tell him to get the 20 ready.
Lumdum.
Lundup.
Lundup.
What'd you call him?
Lundum.
Doom Doom?
Yeah, Lundum.
Lundum. Lundup. Get the 20. Ratan.
Yep.
20 chahiye.
चाहिए.
Listen, Ratan. You don't correct my Hindi, okay? Man.
If we come this area, this part,
नहीं बोलो तुम बोला क्या बेटा.
what do you say? If we come here with the camera, it's a much easier shot? Much closer?
Have you been drinking?
No फर्क
No.
पड़ेगा. फर्क नहीं
I'm
पड़ेगा.
just asking a question with you. From you.
No.
That's you can see. No.
I'm teasing you. Have you been drinking?
I thought if you go near, so it's
No,
distance, lower
We just-
distance.
Alright, we need to get. Doesn't want to help. Doesn't want to be photographed. We go behind?
नहीं कहाँ ऊपर जा रहा है. इधर ही बैठा है. अभी हिले नीचे से गया. हाँ देखो ऊपर आएगा ना दोनों मिल जाएगा. Small.
camera shake, man. Excuse me.
With 2x?
Huh?
2x?
Fuck you.
Why?
Just let him exit frame. He's slow. Oh, here's another one.
I want you should take it in 2x.
I can't move the camera in 2x. I can hardly move it in this. I will give you 2x. Watch out. Next time we gotta get you a little monitor so I could have room to operate, you know? So, are those wild?
No, yak is not a wild.
Well, I mean,
It's Norbu yak.
those are Norbus yak?
Few of them. 2, 3 is
What the
Norbu.
fuck are they doing up there?
They went for grazing. And they're coming down to drink water. They drink after 3 days. 3 days eat, then they drink and
Oh, that's the wind. That's not my
Yeah, I know.
operating error. I just want to say that for sound. That is the wind without any lens support. Don't touch the camera. Just let it exit frame. If I touch it, it'll fucking go crazy. That's why we need the snow leopard to be like right here where the rock is, the closest one. And then you get a beautiful shot. Now watch, see if I follow it. Look at the camera. Shaking horrendously. Second to let go. It's not possible. I'm gonna get those boys up top. I like those guys. Can you cut me?
change your tape.
Just let the tape run out.